In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to create zip file on Windows laptop. A step by step tutorial. So let's begin. If you find this guide useful and you're fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about Windows tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. So let's see how to create zip file in Windows laptop. So the very first thing we want to do is to make sure we right click on the outside of our window area. Then you have to navigate to new, then you click on folder, then you can call this new file, then you press enter. Now the next thing we can do here, we can simply drag some files or some pictures, some documents into this particular folder. For us to do that, we can simply click on this first one right here. I'll press Ctrl key down and select this. I'll press Ctrl key down and select this image. Then I'll take it like this into the new folder. Alright, so we have all the three files moved down into the new file. So if I click on the new file right here, the image, so all the image is going to be found right here, just like what you see here. Now we need to convert this into a zip file. So for us to do that, what we need to do is to simply close this tab. Then we have to navigate back to the file. Then we right click on it. Next thing we want to do here is to make sure we click on send to. Then we make sure we click on compress zipped folder. Then we have stuff like this. So it's automatically moved down right here. So we have it right here. So this is how to basically create zip file folder in Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.